Hey, let's make these delicious mac and cheese together. Firstly, chop up 2 chicken breasts into small cubes. Dice up 2 medium-sized onions. Dice up 4 cloves of garlic. Preheat the oil and put in our chopped chicken breasts. Add some paprika based on your liking. Pour in the diced onions and garlic into the chicken. After everything has sautéed, add 200 grams of conserved corn. Put 500 grams of pasta in a pot. Pour in 1200 milliliters of water. And 360 milliliters of cow milk. Add powdered garlic, sea salt and dried herbs depending on taste. Pour 100 grams of sweet chili sauce and 50 grams of flour. Finally, zest up some lemon skin and squeeze in half a lemon. Stir it up and boil it. Wow! Look at the consistency. After the pasta has softened up, pour in the sautéed chicken and vegetables. Add some chopped parsley. Look, what a beauty. But wait, it's not the final result yet. Eventually, it's time for cheese. Enjoy!